everyone, Jin Puig here, your trusted PRC accredited real estate salesperson. And today, meron na naman akong super sulit na property deal para sa inyo. Bank foreclose alert, ito po ay Adele Inner Lot dito mismo sa Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. At ang pinakamagandang part, no bidding basta walang kasabay. Kaya kung matagal ka na naghahanap ng abot-kayang property for your family, ito na ang chance mo. Property details, at area 77 square meter, floor area 70 square meter, complete with 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 car garage. At para sa presyo, grabe, selling price is only 3,330,000 para sa 4-bedroom house sa prime subdivision like Lancaster, New City. Saan ka pa makakakita ng ganitong kababa? Computation, kailangan lang ng 20% down payment tapos 80% bank financing na lang ang balance. Pero reminder lang po, as is where is ang property. Bank fees and transfer of title are not yet included. Mode of payment, PDC, MC, cash, or bank loan. At dahil foreclosed property ito, alam mo na, first come first serve basis. Hindi ito tatagal sa market kasi sobrang bilis ng turnover ng mga foreclosed units lalo na dito sa Lancaster. Kung naghahanap ka ng bahay na ready for a big family, practical investment, or rental income, panalong-panalo na ang Adele Inner Lot na ito. And the good news is, we offer free house tour assistance para makita mo mismo yung actual unit at ma-experience mo yung community sa Lancaster, New City. So wag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik pa, message us now for inquiries or to schedule a free site visit. This is Jin Puig, thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!